3D technologies help us to doing a lot of things and save time and save the money. Okay, so next step, I use this last to modify the footbed for you. Okay. So first step, we have the drawing part of the last bottom. You see the curve? Yeah, you see? And then oops. So I get the part of the, okay. Now I drawing the line in the last bottom to cutting out to get the last bottom shape like this. See? Okay? It's amazing, right? I create this footbed for the cupsole factory to make the footbed for me. Okay. A little bit. That is the last bottom shape I cut from the last. And then, so I get the cupsole of the cupsole, the shape is a matching of the last bottom, you see. Okay. At the same time, okay, so I use the like this, you see, and get the few parts things. Firstly, I get this one. I create this one. Okay. Now I get the footbed. Right now, right? See? The footbed with the last. Okay? See? Okay? You see? That's the last with the footbed. Yeah, you can see it, right? Perfect. Yes, perfect. But after one thing, you see the last in here, inside is unmatching of the last. Right? So how we do it? How to do it? You see? Little bit wider, but that is necessary, That's a necessary, Okay?